Go! Oh, we're all using this one. Run, 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 run. Run, run. Get up, get up. Get up. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The ball, the ball, the ball. Go right. Then go left. And continue. Right. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Okay, let's go right. Don't run with me. I hate when people run with me. That's why I fall. No! Oh, God. Minor delay. No problem. Minor delay, not a big problem. Let's go, we're still in. Get up. Up, 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 up. Not good, not good, not good. Stop jumping at the same time I'm jumping. Go, 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 go. Take the left. Ah. It's a really, really stressful game. Do not overthink the game. You can easily win the game. Oh, oh. Oh no. I'm going all the way to the blue. Oh no! Did I screw myself? No, I did not. Let's go back to yellow. Relax. I have all the time that I need. I'm going to blue. I'll go back to purple right now. I'll go back to yellow in a second. Oh no. I almost screwed myself for a second. Come on! Get eliminated and stop pushing. Stop freaking pushing. I hate people when they don't stop freaking pushing. I'm going back to purple. Oh no. Did I screw myself? Nope, I didn't. Going back to... Yes! Finally! I want to at least end up at the final game. Oh, this one. Oh, this one is a headache. It's non-stop. Like, everyone keeps pushing you just so they can win. I hate it. Let's see which one is gonna sacrifice himself. Oh. I'm not gonna push myself. Oh. No! Go, 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 go. Please, please go, go before it disappears. Please go before it disappears. Freaking stop pushing me. Go, go, go. Yes! Freaking hell. Only 13 people will qualify. I think now it's the final game. It's now or never. I have to win. I really want to win this game. I don't want to lose. Come on. I'm assuming it is the final game. I'm not 100% sure if it's the final game, but I really, really want to win. Why is my game stuck again? I swear if I lost connection, I'm gonna... I freaking knew it! Please don't lose connection like last time. Stop bumping into each other. I hate when people bump into me. Stop bumping into me. Finally, I'm far away. Nope. Why did you fall? Let's go. Up. Continue, continue. Please don't shoot a ball. Up. Yep. It's not going that good. No. 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 How did I end up down here? God freaking, I hate this. I don't know if I will even qualify. I don't have a feeling that I will be qualifying this round. But let's see. Won't give up till the last second. Let's go. Oh, I'm gonna qualify. I think I'm qualifying. Yep. Yep. I'm gonna leave you. Yep, we all went to the blue. Good for us. As long as they stay as far away from me, I'm good. I'm going back to blue. Stop touching. I hate people touching me. Oh, no! Go! I'm assuming this one. Yes! I'm gonna go with this one. Yes! This one again. Oh no. Oh no, I just got freaking, I don't know what do you, I'm glad I got pushed again back. Up again. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh! I was wrong, it wasn't the middle one. Let's go. Let's go. Pew. Oh, green. I don't think I have ever been on a green team. I'm going to yellow. Come here, yellow. Up. Yellow. I'm gonna grab you, yellow. Oh. Stay away. Stay away. Green. We're losing green. Someone took mine. Or no one took mine. Never. Oh, someone took mine. Someone definitely took mine. Someone definitely took mine. Move, 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 move. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, he almost... Good thing we're both together. Okay, yellow is losing. Let's keep yellow losing. Let's keep green winning, yellow losing. Stay away from me. No! No! Come here. Did I not take it? Are you kidding with me? I'm gonna grab you. Oh, I have one. Don't I? Yes, I have one. Let's keep yellow losing. We don't care about red or yellow. We will have to keep winning. Keep my yellow. Oh, he's running behind me. That yellow guy keeps running behind me. Stay away from me. Ha! We're winning. We're winning. We're winning. Yes, yes, yes. We're almost done. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Woo! Overtime? Wait. Why is it overtime? Why is it overtime? We're losing. We're losing. Okay. Yes! Oh. As I said, it all depends on your teammates. Are they good or not good? Oh, this one I did horrible last time and I ended up losing. What is the trick for this one? I don't know what is... Like, see, a stupid watermelon hits me. God freaking, why am I the last one? Oh god. Oh no. Watermelon. Watermelon. Orange. Orange. Banana. Orange. 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 What the fuck? I'm a strawberry. Watermelon. Orange. God freaking, I keep... I'm trying everything in my power. No, orange banana. No, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Please, please, please. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Ah, finally. No way. No way. I made it. I'm getting high blood pressure right now. Please balance it. Oh no, we're gonna fall. We're gonna definitely fall. Run to the left side. And the yellow one is gonna fall. The yellow one is gonna fall. Balance it. Woo! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm falling, I'm definitely falling, yep. Yep. Balance it! Stand up! God freaking... Are we stuck? Are we actually stuck? No, you dumbasses, you dumbasses, you dumbasses. Ah, I am behind. I'm falling really behind. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Falling way behind. Oh, these dumbasses. They screwed us over, didn't they? Whoo! Let's go. I'm falling way behind. God, the purple. The purple screwed us. Purple? Oh no, I screwed myself. Nah, okay. Last resort, move. Oh, it doesn't do anything, nice. I'm definitely losing this round. If I don't make some big changes, I'm definitely losing this round. Purple. Yes. Let's go. Yellow. Oh no! Please qualify me. Please, I'm begging you to qualify me. Please don't screw with me. This one is really bad because if you fell in the slime, in the pink slime, it's the end of your life. Move. Move. Woo! I almost fell. That was extremely close. Oh. It just crushed me. Move away. Oh god. Why can't I jump? Woo! No! God! I am done. I am done from this freaking game. I'm a chicken. Bak. Actually, that's... yeah. I'm a pigeon, not chicken. Oh, okay. Well, this is my cue to go and leave the video. Peace out.